सो सद्याक न्हू गव्हर्मेंटाचो प्लांटेशन ड्रायव्ह चालू आहा ओल्ड गोवा हायवेचेर आमी पळयत मिरशेंतल्यान जो स्टार्ट जाता ओल्ड गोवा हायवे थंयसर डिवायडराचेर प्लांट्स लायल्या बान्यान ट्री बा लायिल्ले आहा सो कंटिन्यूअस बान्यान ट्री चड येता अशें दिसता थंय ताचेर तुमी कशें पळयता?
So honestly, choice of tree is very important. Now you can't plant people trees in the median of a road because first of all your median is not very broad. Secondly, the curb stones which are there are going to break. The next disadvantage of ficus species, they have small figs. Now once this tree reaches maturity, these figs will fall on the road, it will become slippery and all motorcycle people are going to fall. So it is very important. I've seen a lot of tree plantation drives happening across, but please be specific which tree has to grow in the right location. One more thing what I want to say, if you go to Margaon, you see a lot of plants happening, lot of trees planted. Very good, I'm very happy. But my concern is to the people in power. Were proper pit-sized duck. I have not seen pit-sized duck. I've seen plants, big trees. Remember, an innocent rain tree, he becomes the giant of the forest. So same way, these trees which are planted in Margaon will not reach maturity. Either they will fall down with the moment they become thick and maybe even take away lives. And I promise you, not even 50% of this entire plantation will reach maturity.
सर दुसरें म्हणल्यार जेन्ना डिवायडराच्या मदीं झाड लायतात जशें तुमी सांगला दोनूय सायडीच्यान ते
See,
पानां
divider things, what I would suggest, you just put golden durantas because they add a lot of color. Add bougainvilleas, which is okay also, I would say, because they give a lot of color in summer when everything is parched. But otherwise, you can just also put plants which don't require much water. There are so many things like thibecias, so many other things, thibecias, then, tecomas, small shrubs, which require less water, which will absorb the carbon dioxide, absorb the noise pollution, don't require too much of maintenance. So, when we take up such drives, a little study is definitely advisable before going in for plantation because it grows in lakhs of rupees. And end of the day, we have to see a clean and green Goa. It's not for the number's sake.
सर पयलींच्या टायमार जेन्ना पावस पडटालो मातयेचो वास पळय येतालो आतां मातयेचो वास पळय येना आनी जे इन्सेक्ट दिसताले ते दिसना आनी थोडी झाडां जाताली तातूंत भाजी सुद्दां जाताली लोक ते काडून व्हरताले तेय जायना कित्याक
Now
लागून?
what is happened with so much of destruction happening in Goa, like fields have been filled up, water bodies have been closed, hills are disappearing. So the entire equation is changing. Even if we as kids, people I would say collecting taukoa. So side of the village and all. Today, where do you see taukoa? Today, tell me something. Have you heard even the croaking of the frogs? As children, we used to hear so much croaking of frogs. We used to see something called as fireflies, which is again gone. Further step, in winter, we used to see these small red ladybug beetles in the fields. Small ones, red and black. We have eliminated so much we have lost in terms of biodiversity in Goa. My appeal is, please stop destructing Mother Nature and the environment.
सर ह्या फावट न्हू लेट स्टार्ट जाला पावस आनी आतां पावस पडयना आनी पयलीं जसो पावस पडटालो तसो पावस दिसयना कितें मेजर
there are so many factors. Late rain, less quantities of rain, definitely. But I would say in remote areas, I think the rainfall is much better. Towards Sanghe and all, the rainfall is much better. But if you come towards Mapsa, Panjim, and secondly, when you say rainfall, it is advisable when it falls in catchment areas. If it pours cats and dogs in Panjim and Mapsa, it's useless. This water goes up run of water. So it should fall in catchment areas. Secondly, my question, when I had many years back raised this question to the government, when were the dams desilted in Goa? The dams have not. So imagine the amount of silt which is happening. And let me tell you right now, if the monsoon does not continue by January, the entire system is going to collapse and it's going to be like a COVID-like situation. Children will have to go back to the villages because there won't be water. And take me seriously.
सर आनीक म्हणल्यार जशें तुमी सांगला जे बान्यान ट्री ते डिवायडराचेर लायता ते रॉंग आहा म्हणून तुमी खंयचो स्पेस तांकां सजेस्ट करूं शकता गव्हर्मेंट?
Plant it in open forest. Open forest. Far away from the trees. A banyan tree, people trees, I encourage because it creates an entire ecosystem. But plant it away from the road because they've really become, as I said, a simple, innocent looking tree becomes a giant of a forest. Like a rain tree. It looks so delicate, thin tree. But finally, look at Kampal, they become giants of the forest. So we have to look at the vision. 15 years, 20 years down, we have to be accountable for our work. It's just not planting trees for the sake of planting. Like example, if there was a rain tree over there, you're going back again, going and planting a rain tree. No, look. And I appeal to people in power, send your representatives, different departments out of Goa when there are arboriculture conferences happening. Nobody was there. I on my own went alone, but send departments, they'll learn so much. And it is a finally, end of the day, an international forum. So you'll come back with some knowledge and you'll be able to do a proper job in Goa.
सो जशें की आतां गव्हर्मेंटान ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट केला प्लांटेशन ड्रायव्ह आणि त्यांचो हे आहे की 10 लाख तरी ते लायतले म्हणून झाडां टील सप्टेंबर 5 आणि ग्रीन कॉरिडॉर करता म्हणून ह्या इनिशिएटिव्ह
So
तुम्ही
let
कशें
me
पळयता?
tell you, it is good. 10 lakhs is good, but will we able to sustain? Like recently, if you see like lot of other stations, lot of cities are taking up initiatives. They're trying to come into Guinness World Book of Records. So honestly, we don't want to enter in any book of records in Goa as of now. We just want to protect the tree cover, keep Goa clean, keep Goa green, absorb the noise pollution, absorb the dust. And this is what people are coming and flocking to come to Goa. And recently, I'll tell you, because of my projects, I know people are not liking Goa because they're saying it's becoming just a part of India. We are not having any exclusiveness being a tiny state of Goa, which is very, very sad.
सो तुम्ही गोच्या सगळ्या वाठारांत भोंवता रिसेंटली तुम्ही कितें नोट केला खंयचे गोचे ट्री कमी जाल्या अशे खंयचे ट्री आहा कमी जाला कमी प्रमाणात?
So many tendencies. So see chunnas. I'll just give you a summer fruit. See chunnas, see zamdas, see jambuls. I educated you all. 2 rupees, 4 rupees was one jambul. Today when children sit to eat jambul, we have to count and eat. But when we were children, we should eat the entire bowl. We should never count and eat jambuls. This year people must have not eaten chunnas. So like this, so much is getting, the biodiversity is getting lost off.
सो तुम्ही इतकी अवेअरनेस क्रिएट करता कितें इम्पॅक्ट जाला असो दिसता तुमकां आणि इवन तुम्ही बॉन्साय प्लांटाचेर सुद्दां खूबशे हे केल्ले आहा गोंयान.
See, I run a very small Instagram page which is called Daniel with Clean Ideas, and I know people are looking at my page and are following a few steps. So it gives me, because people communicate with me. So my appeal is, please protect, because we have reached a state in Goa. If the plant is within your compound, the plant is safe. The moment it's out of your compound, you have no control, and you never know when the tree will be cut.
सर आनी दुसरो इश्यू म्हणल्यार जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा गांवच्या वाठारांत बा ते पेवर्स घालपाक लागले आनी झाडाची मुळां बीन आसा पळय तेकाय धाम.
That again is a total wrong concept. I even say like this grass. This grass is playing a role in the ecosystem. For you, it might be thorn, what we call thorn or we call grass. But this is playing an ecosystem by itself. So please don't destroy this grass, because it's holding on to the soil. It's giving life to so many microorganisms below the earth. So don't try to make this into a Singapore or Dubai. What you see, what is happening in Goa. Please, for heaven's sake, and this is for the people in power, keep Goa the way it was.
सर गोवा गव्हर्मेंट 10 लाख ट्रीज लावपाचे आणि ग्रीन कॉरिडॉर करपाच्या कितें दिसता तुमकां जातलो असो दिसता?
I will write in blood, 50% of these trees will not reach maturity. Thank you.
आणि तुमच्या स्टुडंट्सांक कितें मेसेज सद्याक मॉन्सून सीजन
My
कितें
students' messages come out in large numbers. Forget all your shows, all the activities in musical shows. Come out, stand. Look recently what happened at the Congress Janata Party. It was the youth, and y'all are the future of India and Goa. So please take initiative in the state of Goa and come out in large numbers, because we have finished doing our bit, and the entire Goa and India is in your hands. Or else, it's going to be you'll be an alien in your own place.